So we just woken up at like 6-ish to catch sunrise at Haystack Rock, just so we can get some sick photos.
Okay, so we weren't really sure where to go, but a good strategy is go wherever there's a fat group of photographers.
It's a gaggle of photographers.
Steve. There he goes. He's getting in there. Get in there. Get in there, Steve.
I believe I got the shot.
You got the shot there, Steve?
I think I did.
Did anyone say anything?
Nope.
You should have just got a...
Been doing some filming. Probably got some of the best looking drone footage I've ever gotten in my entire life. The rock here, it's like super creamy. Turns out that this lovely gentleman just told us that drones are illegal here, and we've been flying it around for about an hour. So let's just quickly get it in the box
and
put it away. He said that most people don't actually get caught with it because there's no one really to catch them. So I think we're fine. Hello. So today this is day 2 of Canyon Beach. I think for today we're going to be we've just done a little sunrise shoot here at Haystack Rock. And I think we're gonna be going to Hug Point and then kind of see what else we get up to. So
Let's pitter patter and get at her.
Okay, let's not say that. Please stop.
So instead of going out to buy food, we bought groceries from Target, but we didn't really have a good way to cook them, so we brought a camping stove in the hotel room.
Sorry, Motel 6. We got some scrambled eggs and some bacon, and then hopefully some toast if I can figure that one out. Would you like to explain what's happening with the pretzels? We were just driving, and the pretzels spilled down the back. So now we've got
pretzels, dog?
Yeah. We got a little collection of pretzels here.
Oh, no.
Did someone lock the room? Did you turn the deadbolt on the lock? Did you lock it and leave through the window?
Oh, Mitch, that's impossible.
You are cinema. Watch it forever.
Oh my God! Well, it turns out that I just dropped my lens into the sand. One of the worst things you could probably drop it on.
Any sand in there?
Yep.
This water is so cold. I think it's like glacier runoff or something, but it's definitely colder than when we were skimboarding in the ocean.
Don't slip off, Mitch.
We've seen all we can really see with this waterfall, so we're gonna go back behind the caves or back behind the mountain and whatever, and then we're gonna do some skimboarding, and then we're gonna drone some more around more of the beach. And yeah, should be pretty good. I think we might actually drone some skimboarding. We don't know.
Ooh, spice it up.
I thought I'd grab everything, so Tommy just took the biggest fall. Just on that rock right there. Biggest fall. I think right now, Mitchell doesn't really want to skimboard anymore. He was planning on it. I'm debating skimboarding or not. You're still debating?
We could just do a couple laps.
Yeah, I think I might do it. I'll do it anyways. Okay, on second thought, he's going to skimboard.
Mitchell's all-natural changing station. Pardon?
Occupy!
Did he say come right in? I think he said come over here.
Nice. Get a little wet there?
Just a bit. But we're gonna play a little game called Spot Mitch. Let's look, everyone. There he is.
That's so weird. How you doing, Mitch?
Just gotta pack her up now.
Yeah, stick the shoes on and head out.
Okay, so we were complete idiots and we didn't actually explain that we're going from Hug Point to Indian Beach. So I'm just gonna tell you right now, we headed to Indian Beach and it started to pour.
Alrighty, we just got here and it is absolutely stunning. But it's windy too. It is very, very windy. If you can't tell, it might be horrible audio here. But the waves the waves are just crashing against the rocks. It looks absolutely insane. This sucks. This ain't amateur hour. Careful, it's slippery.
Thanks, didn't notice that.
Yeah. It is just pouring down. This is pretty incredible as is. Mitchell and Tommy are just kind of on the beach, just roaming around, but I think we might actually be kind of ruining some of our stuff because it's just pouring. Mitch, look up. I think we're gonna pack her in for a little bit. I think we've had enough of the rain and wind. Yeah, I'm a little wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fog is just unreal.
Yeah, no kidding.
We gotta do it.
What?
Yeah, we got it.
We're gonna launch the drone and fly it through this tree road.
The drone isn't connecting to the GPS because of all the trees. So Mitch can't fly it. Well, he could fly it, but it doesn't lock its position.
Yeah.
What's going on here, guys?
What? Just to make things easier on ourselves, we decided to take the screen out so we can just hand things through the window.
The car is right.
The car is right there, so it makes it super easy. Instead of going up and around.
There we are, and straight to the car. Okay, I think we have everything pretty much ready to go. Checkout is at 11, and it is 10:57, so we're right on time. And then we're gonna head our way out towards Portland, and well, actually Vancouver, Seattle. But yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Welcome back. If you haven't noticed already, we have some really good music in this video, and if you would like to get some of that for yourself, use Epidemic Sound. And if you want 30 days free trial, go to the link in the description or go to share.epidemicsound.com/TMS. Or even if you want to just help us out, create an account, you can probably delete it after, or you can delete it after. It helps us out a lot. So do that down there. Thanks so much.
Tommy's just doing some sort of dance.
No, it's gonna be sick. Slow down, trust me.